The camera industry is currently on high alert, and at the center of the storm is one name: Sony A7S IV. Since the launch of the A7S III, a camera that set the gold standard for low-light shooting and hybrid performance, creators have been anxiously awaiting an update. Every new leak, insider hint, or supply chain whisper has been dissected and debated. The anticipation is palpable. If the rumors are even partially accurate, the Sony A7S IV isn't just a successor, it could redefine the hybrid mirrorless segment entirely in 2026. Unlike the A7R or A7 IV lines, which follow predictable refresh cycles, Sony's S line operates on its own timeline. It releases only when technology and demand align, which makes every new S-series camera significant. In early 2025, component suppliers reportedly revealed that Sony was testing a new low-megapixel sensor with improved dynamic range. This sparked immediate speculation: would Sony maintain the classic 12-megapixel approach, or slightly increase resolution to cater to still shooters while retaining the S-line's low-light supremacy? Current leaks suggest a middle ground, possibly in the 12-20 megapixel range, designed to provide versatility without compromising noise performance in challenging lighting conditions. Video enthusiasts are particularly excited. Rumors suggest that Sony is implementing advanced heat management solutions inspired by higher-end models like the A1 and A12. The potential implications are huge: longer recording sessions, higher bitrate workflows, and even the possibility of 8K video, though most insiders expect Sony to limit ultra-high resolution to avoid cannibalizing its flagship cinema line. More realistic expectations include 4K recording at 120 frames per second without crop, 4K at 240p with minor crop, and consistent 10-bit 4:2:2 video across modes. If accurate, this makes the Sony A7S IV a powerful hybrid tool capable of professional-level video in a mirrorless body. Thermal control is central to the conversation. Leaks suggest Sony is introducing redesigned passive cooling pathways to prevent overheating during extended shoots. This could allow filmmakers to push the camera harder than ever before, without the dreaded thermal warnings that have limited long-form recording in previous models. Coupled with AI-driven autofocus upgrades, these improvements would make the Sony A7S IV a versatile workhorse for both stills and video. The next-generation AF system may feature eye, face, and subject recognition, capable of tracking fast-moving wildlife, athletes, or vehicles with exceptional precision. Global shutter, or near-global shutter capabilities, has also been hinted at, though a full global shutter seems unlikely due to cost and power consumption. Even a partial reduction of rolling shutter would be a game-changer, especially for gimbal operators, drone pilots, and handheld shooters. Design improvements are rumored as well. The A7S IV might feature a slightly thicker body, a deeper grip, and a more effective passive cooling system. For the first time in the S line, ergonomics and reliability may take precedence over ultra-compact design, allowing creators to work comfortably during long sessions or when using heavy lenses. The market environment for the Sony A7S IV is far more competitive than during the A7S III era. Canon has been advancing its video capabilities, with rumors of the EOS R5 Mark II and R1X promising improved thermal management and video performance. Even Canon's mid-range models, like the R6 III, have proven capable of extended 4K recording. Panasonic has been aggressively pushing its cinema hybrid solutions, with the S1H successors delivering high-resolution video, excellent color science, and reliable autofocus. Nikon has also evolved quickly, offering Z-series cameras with flexible codecs, robust heat management, and hybrid performance that rivals mirrorless leaders. Sony's internal challenge is delicate. The A7S IV must be a meaningful upgrade over the A7S III without undercutting the cinema line. Cameras like the FX3 II, FX6, and FX9 remain flagship options, and the S-line exists to provide hybrid versatility at a lower price point. Sony has to balance performance, price, and feature set carefully, delivering a camera powerful enough to excite creators, but still respecting the hierarchy of its product lineup. Beyond traditional competition, Sony faces pressure from a growing hybrid audience increasingly reliant on smartphones for content creation. Flagship devices like the iPhone Pro Max, Sony Xperia Pro, and high-end Android models are delivering impressive low-light video, stabilized footage, and computational enhancements. To justify a dedicated mirrorless camera, the Sony A7S IV must offer superior dynamic range, better lens versatility, and advanced low-light performance. These factors will differentiate the A7S IV from handheld devices, solidifying its relevance for professional content creators. Technically, the Sony A7S IV appears poised to integrate a new sensor, improved AF, enhanced thermal design, faster readout speeds, and ergonomic refinements, all within a body that balances portability with professional handling. Its video capabilities reportedly include 4K 120p without crop, 4K 240p with minor crop, and 10-bit 4:2:2 video across all modes, making it suitable for high-end production. The autofocus system is expected to deliver AI-driven tracking of eyes, faces, and moving subjects, ideal for sports, wildlife, and fast-paced event coverage. Ergonomics are another focus. Rumors suggest a slightly larger body, deeper grip, and improved passive cooling, prioritizing comfort and stability during long shoots. This makes the Sony A7S IV not just a high-performance tool but one that can be used all day without fatigue. Combined with hybrid video stills capabilities, these improvements could make the camera a go-to choice for filmmakers, photographers, and hybrid creators alike. The stakes for Sony are enormous. The S line has always been synonymous with low-light excellence and hybrid performance. Expectations for the A7S IV are sky-high because the camera must not just meet, but exceed its predecessor. With Canon, Panasonic, Nikon, and even Fujifilm aggressively innovating, Sony can't afford a safe release. It must deliver measurable improvements in every area: sensor, autofocus, thermal management, ergonomics, and video capabilities. If executed well, the Sony A7S IV could redefine the hybrid mirrorless category. It's not just a refresh, it could set new benchmarks for performance, usability, and flexibility. This camera could bridge the gap between still photography and professional video, offering creators a tool capable of handling a wide variety of scenarios without compromise. Every leak and rumor points to a camera that balances performance, reliability, and versatility in a compact, hybrid-ready body. From low-light cinematography to action photography, the Sony A7S IV is shaping up to deliver professional-grade performance, hybrid versatility, and ergonomic improvements that will keep creators working efficiently and creatively. The Sony A7S IV may well be the camera that sets the tone for 2026, defining hybrid mirrorless standards once again. It promises to combine the reliability and low-light supremacy of the S series with next-level autofocus, video performance, and heat management. If Sony succeeds, this camera won't just compete, it could redefine what creators expect from mirrorless technology. In summary, the Sony A7S IV isn't just another mirrorless release. It represents a strategic move to maintain Sony's leadership in hybrid cameras, offering significant upgrades over the A7S III while navigating an increasingly competitive and technologically advanced landscape. With improvements in sensor design, AI-driven autofocus, thermal management, video capabilities, and ergonomics, the A7S IV is poised to deliver a powerful, versatile tool for photographers and filmmakers alike. Every rumor points to a release that could once again cement Sony's reputation as a leader in mirrorless innovation.